Let's try and find the lowest common multiple of 10 and 12. So multiples of 10 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Multiples of 12 would be this times 2, this times 3, this times 4, and so on. These are multiples of 12. We want to find common multiple. So if you get 10 times 12, that would give you 120. 120 is a multiple of 10. 120 is a multiple of 12. So you see, 120 is a common multiple of these two numbers, but it's not the lowest. There exists a number that's lower and it's in common in between the two. So to find the lowest common multiple, we need to break up the number 10. So the number 10 can be broken up as a block of 2 times a block of 5. 12 can be broken up as a block of 2 times a block of 6. Well, a block of 6 can be broken up further to a block of 2 and a block of 3. So these are the very basic building blocks of the number 12. 2 and 5 are the very basic building blocks of 10. So basically, you want to break up your number into products of primes. You see, all these are prime numbers, and product means multiply. So this multiply with this will give you 10. This times this will give you 12. So break up your number into product of primes. All these are primes here. So now that you've got the all the basic building blocks of the two numbers, you've got to imagine. So to find your lowest common multiple, you've got to imagine your toolkit. What blocks do you need to carry in your toolkit in order to be able to build the number 10 and to build the number 12? You see, in your toolkit, you have to carry a block of 2. You also have to carry another block of 2. You have to carry a block of 3, and you have to carry a block of 5 with you in order to be able to build both numbers. Because if you were to ask me to build a number 10, I would get the block 2 and a block 5 to create the number 10. If you were to ask me to build a block of 12, a number 12, I would use 2 blocks of 2. And remember, I need to carry 2 blocks here. 1, 2 here. I would need these 2 blocks and a block of 3. I don't need the 5, but I need this 5 in order to build this number 10. So I have to carry the minimum number of blocks in order to be able to build both numbers. And your lowest common multiple would be all these multiplied together. So let's multiply all these together. This times this would be 4. 4 times 3 would be 12. 12 times 5 would be 60. So all these multiplied together will give you a block of 60. You see, 60 is a multiple of 10. 60 is also a multiple of 12, and they're in common, and it happens to be the lowest. These are multiples of the two numbers, but these are not the lowest. The lowest is actually 60. Okay, so 60 would be your final answer.